Switching Google accounts and worried about losing your contacts? Don't stress. In this video, I will show you the simplest way to transfer all your contacts from one Google account to another in just few clicks. Let's dive in. First, open any browser on your computer. In the Google search box, type Google Contacts and hit enter. Click on the first result. Sign in with your Google account from which you want to transfer contacts. Now click Export. Export contacts. Make sure all contacts selected and export as Google CSV. Click Export. Google CSV file has been downloaded on computer. Similar way, open another profile. Again, write Google Contacts. Sign in with your account. Right now, no contacts available in this account. Click Import. Then select File from Downloads. Select a CSV file. Click Import. Importing contacts. All done. That's it. All contacts are transferred to this account. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.